All right, we're out at the airfield here today, and I got my buddy Kevin with. Kevin's been flying with me for a couple of years and picked up pretty quickly. How many flights you got?
I am somewhere between 50 and 100 flights.
50 and 100 flights, and today the goal is he's been flying a 28-meter core, and he's about 6'2", 170?
Yep.
Sure, right in that area. Yep. And he's going to try out the core 22-meter glider. So without further ado, we'll let him get into the sky, film the takeoff and landing, and then get his thoughts of it afterwards. So let's let him get into the sky and check it out. Nice. All right, he's all set up and ready to go. Beautiful takeoff, especially in windy conditions. Climbing like a mountain goat. You can see he's getting blown sideways pretty good. Now once he heads downwind, it should get real fast. There you go, staying on the throttle. Oh yeah, downwind, he's got to be doing 45, 50 miles an hour. Woo, getting crazy already. Coming back into the wind. Just getting drifted sideways. So we went out flying this weekend, and I had mine and Kevin had his 28 meter, and I did about a 55 mile cross country, and he said it was frustrating just at how much faster I was going. You can see into the wind here, he's pretty well parked. We got a good, strong, consistent wind. What I like about a smaller wing, there he goes, in bumpier air, it seems to cut right through that. With those bigger wings, it oftentimes feels like you're feeling every single little bit of bump. Ooh, he's going straight up. Just parked. Engine sounding good. The windsock is pretty well straight out there. This is our airfield, as you can see. Hello. Beautiful airfield. It's like 1600 by 1600 by 1600 triangle. Oh yeah. Almost parked on this wind. Back downwind, there he goes. Holy crap. It is strong today. Strong but smooth. So I made a couple other videos on the core too you can check out. There's a lot of different gliders out there. I know Ozone's like an 80 or 90 day wait, and this wing you can get ordered up and shipped to you pretty quick. I know mine came in a couple weeks. Anybody's that I've ordered so far have not taken that long. And I think this is going to be a serious contender in that intermediate class. It's probably above the Spider. It's a little spicier than the original core in my opinion. We'll see what Kevin says when he lands. But this wing comes in at $34.50, so cheaper than other wings on the market and loaded with features. If you saw in the other video, you got magnets on the trim tabs, the new click lock brakes. Just a good, efficient wing, very stable. A lot to like about it. Stuff sack has a backpack built right into it, riser bag. Very cool stuff. Alright, he might be coming into land here. Getting blown around. Look at that landing. Beautiful. Alright, let's go see what he has to say. Alright, what'd you think?
Oh, she's pretty windy up there.
You must have been going 45, 50 downwind.
Oh my God, she's fast. It's fast and the corners on rails. I feel like with that 28, when you bank into a turn, it kind of floats you through it. And on this thing, I felt like I was pivoting. Like I was, and then I was already in the turn. Whereas the other one, I'm kind of like lumbering through it. So I loved that.
Yeah, your landing was sweet.
That was awesome. That felt great. Did you see that takeoff?
Yeah, lifted up a little.
Toucher?
Yep.
Jesus. That's awesome.
Yeah, probably not the ideal day to test out wings, but
I feel like that 28 would have been a nightmare up there. I would have never got here.
I don't know if you would have made it back.
No, I don't think so. That was really fast up there. Yeah,
nice.
I approve for sure. I love that thing.
Very cool.
22 for the win.
Right on. All right. Well, are you going to take your 28 out?
No, not if it's like this.
I don't think it's.
No.
I don't know if it's safe.
No, no, it's not. No, it's definitely not safe.
Didn't let the trims out at all?
No.
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 All right.
I don't know what it looked like from down there, but it felt like I was getting thrown all over the place.
It looked like coming into the wind you were just not moving at all, and then you'd turn downwind and it was just like super speed.
That's fun.
Awesome.
I felt good though. I felt safe the whole time, to be honest. In control.
Well, that's impressive to go flying in this strong a wind too. Like this is definitely at the border of what we normally fly at, so
yeah.
Cool. Well, we're gonna figure out what to do from here because it is pretty strong and windy, so it might be kiting, it might be just taking turns doing this, might be drinking beers. I don't know. It could be any one of those things. So anyway, that's a little review from you know, I'm novice to intermediate pilot. Kevin's got some hours on, and just out here on a windy day with the Core 2, giving it a little test run in the wind. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything, put them down below. Happy to answer. And yeah, we fly out together all the time, so hopefully if we both have something that's fast enough in conditions like this that we can still fly. But yeah, this is kind of a stay around the airfield night. Yeah, or across country and fly like 200 miles in that direction. But anyway, that's about it. We'll see you guys in the skies. Take care.